Hey everyone, Build It here. We're getting ready to do a Alien3D UFO box, and I'm wearing my Alien3D shirt to show my support for the Alien3D UFO box. This is the UFO box for the month of January 2020, like it says right there on the box. He didn't tape them. That's cool. I don't need to cut it then. So, wow. There we go. Alright, so it's jammed in here real tight with something. So, got the box open now. Drop some things. Let's see, I print with pasta sticker. A packing list of what's in the box. So, welcome to 2020 and all that. There's a model, I don't know what it is, be careful. Hey, anyway, so there's that. There's a Z-catch. I'm not sure what that is, what Z-catch is, but there's a sticker for that. Our first filament out of the box is a Soltech. It says denim blue PLA. Well, that doesn't look denim blue to me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm colorblind. But that looks like a chartreuse or a pink or something like that, or a purple. Really not a denim blue. But anyway, Soltech, it says. Next up is Industrial 3D PLA white. Oh, I see what happened. Stickers got mixed up and the package got mixed up. So here's the denim blue. They put it into 3D Printing Canada, which says purple PLA. So let's straighten that out so we get things in the right place so I know what's what later. We'll put the denim blue in the denim blue like it belongs. And now denim blue's in denim blue. Okay, oops, empty the air out. Denim blue and denim blue now, there we go. So Soltech denim blue, that looks like denim blue now instead of a purple. And then we have this 3D Printing Canada purple PLA. Still the bag here, leave the air out. Nope, maybe I get the air out. Okay, so there's the purple from 3D Printing Canada. Then we have a white from Industrial 3D, generic white. And then we have a Protoplast carbon fiber PLA. So if you use this, be sure you use a nozzle that can handle it, because this will be very, very abrasive. It will expand the size, the diameter of your nozzle over time if you're printing with that at all. So let's see, we've got some things in here. That's why the box is so hard to open. It bit the box. So we got a Z-catch. So that's where Z-catch came from. Okay. So Z-catch, set of socket tools, socket wrenches. That's nice. I can always use more sockets. And we got a sucker in the box also. Maybe a sucker for buying the box. No, just kidding. I've been a UFO subscriber since he first started UFO boxes. Let me put everything back in. Let's see what's in this other bag. So some parts is for it's for whatever the project is for the month. They said he got help from the 3D Printing Viking for modeling whatever it is he's making. So this is a little motor. This is like the vibro motor. In fact, that's exactly what this is. This is a vibro motor. So remember the old phones. This is a fairly old vibro motor. The old phones from Nokia and stuff that had the changeable covers. This is the type of vibrator they had inside that made the phone vibrate when you got a phone call. So that's what this is from. I used to work for Nokia, that's how I know all this. A jumper wire with a little plug to plug into like a board or something. Some jumper wires also here for plugging in to a board and then into something else. A little battery pack. So I don't know what the board is supposed to be, because there's nothing here as far as the only thing in here is the motor and a speaker. There's nothing else. So maybe I'm missing something? I'll have to go online and look, because I don't see that this is going to do very much for me with just a motor and a speaker and a battery pack. At least I'm assuming that's the battery pack. On-off switch on it. So I'm going to open this thing up. Looks like you push it and open. Yep, this is just a battery pack for a 9-volt battery. So I don't know what all this is for with nothing to go with it. So let's go look at the project for the month and see if it tells us anything about what it is. Usually you have a link listed here, and I don't even see the link for it this month. Thank you to Fanaticus for designing the graphic for that, and 3D printer for helping me model it. By the time you read this, there should be instructions on the video on the reveal page. There's nothing on here. Oh, there it is, up here. Alien3D UFO 19. So let's go to the web page. I will shut down my overhead camera. I believe that's this one. And that way you can see the web page. And we're going to alien3d.us/UFO019. And that should take us to the Alien homepage. And what the contents are supposed to be for the box. There's the tools that we got. Nope, that's what you're supposed to get. So I don't know what you're doing, what you're going to make out of it, but let's find out here. Like I said, we got protoplastic carbon fiber, the PLA purple from 3D Printing Canada, the Soltech denim blue, PLA white industrial 3D filament generic. There's right there. I needed a cheap filament, also it's going to cost this much. Bonus accessory was the sockets, which we saw, and the bonus project. Oh, so it's like operation. So when you touch it, okay, so that's why it doesn't have anything really. Yeah. Print all the parts. So step-by-step instructions on how to hook it all up. So they're making the game Operation. So that used to be, he's called Alien Abduction, but it's Operation. What was the original game. And the tweezers are so that they can duck when you touch the edges of whatever you're trying to pull out of the character here. So when you're trying to pull this alien out of his chest, and you got to reach in and touch the walls, it will shorten, and then the nose will light up. That was the original way the game worked. So that's basically what he's building here. So there we go. That is the UFO box for the month of January 2020. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next month on the Alien3D box for February when it comes out. And in the meantime, I will put all this away. And have a good night, everybody. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you know anybody that is interested in 3D printing or other things, please point them to my channel and have them subscribe. I can certainly use more subscribers. So thank you very much to those of you who have subscribed. I will be doing a giveaway soon. I've already created the list. I just need to do the drawing. The random drawing on it, and then I will contact whoever it was somehow, I guess I'll have to do another video and say, this was the winner, please contact me, because I don't have any email addresses for anybody. It's right off of YouTube. I guess I can contact them through YouTube and go to their channel or whatever and see if I can contact them that way. But anyway, that's it. Build it, or build it out. I always want to say build it. It's build it, like B-U-I-L-D it, but B-I-L-L-D it. Build it. Have a great day. Later.